So guys, we got this 2016 Lexus IS200T, and we're gonna be replacing the map lights in the front today. So there's 3 halogen bulbs in here. I got 2 on right now, and the other one lights up when you actually open your door or you press the little button here. So you can see all 3 are lit up, and we're gonna make this much brighter. So pretty much all we gotta do is make sure to turn all the power off on them, okay? And what you want to do, just so you guys can see, and I put that on. I already loosened this up real quick, but there's actually an opening right here. There's gonna be one right here and one right here. So all you need is a pretty small flathead. Just pop it in here, pull that out, put it in here, and it pops out just like that, okay? I'm gonna put that there. So I'm gonna turn this off, and at this point all you guys gotta do is pretty much pull these out. I will recommend you use some microfiber cloths or some gloves to pull these because they could be hot, especially if they were on, but these haven't been on long enough, so you can just grab it and pull it straight down. It might require a little bit of wiggling to get it out, and please take your time, don't rush it, and it'll come out, okay? Don't put too much pressure because you don't want to break it in your hand. So make sure, just take your time, wiggle it as you pull out, and it'll pop out, okay? And just for a quick comparison, we're going to install one of the LEDs, which is going to be our T10s in white. All right, you want to make sure you line it up correctly and connect it. These bulbs are non-polarity, so as long as it goes in, you're good. Sorry. That should be good right there. And there you have it, guys. And for a comparison, we'll turn on the other one. And you can see that earlier it required 3 of them just to light up one section. So now, once we put all 3, you're gonna get even more light compared to your halogens, okay? So I'll turn this off real quick. Turn it on. You barely get any light out of that, okay? Just look at this area right here for a moment. This is with the halogen on, and this is with the LED. So definitely more light from just one bulb compared to having all 3. So we're going to do the same process for the rest. We're going to remove all of them and install the rest of the LEDs, and we'll show you a comparison. All right, guys. So we got all 3 bulbs in already, and now we're going to show you how they look. So ready? That's 1 bulb. That's 2. And that's 3. So at this point, guys, you're done with the installation. It's pretty easy. You just remember, put back your cover. Make sure that these tabs go in first. Don't try to go from the back. Make sure they go in first, and you're done. It retains your original function, so you still got your auto functions. So if I turn that off, set up the automatic, so when you open your door, it'll still work, okay? Close the door, we'll wait for a while. It should shut off on its own as well. There we go. So if you guys have any questions, concerns, feel free to let us know, and we'll be more than happy to help you out. Thank you for watching.